Alright, so we're going to do some quick examples on how to rationalize radicals. What does it mean when you rationalize? It simply means we're going to make sure that there are no radicals in the denominator of any fraction. So we're going to start with the first one, 2 divided by the square root of 5. So in order for us to make sure that there are no radicals in the denominator, we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the square root of 5. So we multiply square root of 5 divided by square root of 5. You notice that that cancels out to be 1. So that simply tells us that we're not really changing the fraction at all. So what we're going to do here is 2 multiplied by the square root of 5 is going to be 2 square root of 5. And then square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 5. Anytime you multiply a square root or a radical, a square root especially, by itself, you actually get rid of the square root symbol and you have just the value or the integer. So this is going to be 5. 2 square root of 5 divided by 5. Then the next one here is 2 divided by 3 square root of 6. So here again we have a radical, square root of 6. So we're going to multiply numerator and denominator by the square root of 6. So this is going to be 2 square root of 6 divided by 3 multiplied by 6. Because square root of 6 multiplied by square root of 6 is going to be just 6. There is a temptation to also multiply by 3 square root of 6. It just makes things longer. It makes your process longer. So all you really need to do is to make sure you're multiplying by the radicals. You're multiplying the radicals by the numerator and the denominator. So this is going to be, we can simplify. You can divide this by 2 and you get 3. You divide this by 2, you get 1. So this is square root of 6 divided by 9.